Are you also mispronouncing these English words? Well, don't worry, most people do. Let's break it down rule by rule, step by step. Even some of English word confuse native speaker. Well, in today's video, we are going to fix your English pronunciation. Before I start this video, I want to tell you one most important thing, that is, if you are an Indian, then you don't need to copy a British or American accent. You can speak with your own accent. We have our own Indian accent, so we don't need to copy other accent like British or American accent. So this is very important thing that you need to understand. So one thing that you need to improve, that is pronunciation. If your pronunciation is good, your English will automatically feel good, or you will communicate like a native speaker. So without further ado, let's get into the main video. Now tell me, how do you pronounce this word? Woman. Woman, it's not woman, it's women. Women. Next one. Vegetable. No, it's not vegetable, it's vegetable. Vegetable. Another one. Comfortable. No, it's not comfortable, it's comfortable. Comfortable. Now this one. How do you pronounce this word? Determine. No, it's not determine, it's determine. Determine. Repeat after me. Determine. Now this one. How do you pronounce this word? Photography. Photography. No, it's incorrect. Photography. 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 Now, okay, very common. How do you pronounce this word? Police. Police. No, it's not police, it's police. 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 It's not police. Next word is, how do you pronounce this word? Hotel. No, incorrect. It's hotel. Hotel. It's very common, and every single person mispronounce this word as a hotel. It's not hotel, it's hotel. Hotel. Now time for quick response. How many questions did you pronounce correctly? Let me know answer in the comment section. I am waiting for your answer. Let's come to the point. Now tell me, how do you pronounce this word? Mischievous. Mischievous. No, incorrect. It's not mischievous, it's mischievous. Mischievous. Now tell me, how do you pronounce this word? Often people mispronounce this word. Incorrect. Vitamin. No, it's not vitamin, it's vitamin. Vitamin or vitamin. You can say vitamin or vitamin. Don't mispronounce as a vitamin. It's not vitamin, it's vitamin. It's very common in UK, vitamin, and it's very common among Americans as a vitamins. Vitamins. Now this one. How do you pronounce this word in English? Pronunciation. Pronunciation. It's not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. Pronunciation. Yes. Now tell me, how do you pronounce this word? Comment. Comment. It's not comment, it's comment. Comment. Now next word is, how do you pronounce this word? It's very common and it has two pronunciation. You can say data or you can say data. Both are correct. You can pronounce as both. It's totally up to you. How do you confuse, how do you comfortable between these two words? So according to your comfort zone, you can pronounce these two words, data or data. Both are correct. Now another word is, how do you pronounce this word? Intestine. Intestine. No, it's not intestine, it's intestine. Intestine. Now this word, how do you pronounce this word? Cucumber. Cucumber. No, incorrect, it's cucumber. Cucumber. And now I am going to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button, give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve their pronunciation. And how many questions did you pronounce correct? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.